How to enable the dark mode in Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode in Microsoft Edge. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, open the Microsoft Edge browser. On the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. In the left panel, press the Appearance tab for changing the dark theme in Edge browser. Now, here you can see many theme options. Select your desired theme. Here you can see your theme will change. And that's it. This is the easiest method to enable the dark mode in Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.